Hello students, this is Ms. Thando Reses. Today we are going to start with the topic halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons from organic chemistry. But before that, I'll remind to like, share and subscribe my channel if it is not subscribed yet, so that you will get notifications of new videos there. So let us start with the halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. In halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, these are the compound in which the hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon is replaced by any halogen atom. Halogen, that means either chlorine or bromine or iodine or fluorine. So depending upon the hydrogen atom replaced by halogen atom, these are classified into 3 to 4 types. First one is a haloalkanes here. So let us see classification of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. First one is haloalkanes. Now alkanes are well familiar to you. You have been studied already in the 11th standard. So alkanes are saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. You know that. Alkanes are saturated. I'll write here alkanes saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons. Here saturated, that means the compound containing single covalent bond. Aliphatic, that means these are the open chain compound, and hydrocarbons, I told you just now, hydrocarbons, that means these are the compound containing carbon and hydrogen only. Haloalkanes, that means these are the compound in which hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by halogen atom. We'll take here example of CH3, CH2, X. Here X stands for either chlorine or bromine, iodine, fluorine, etc. In case of haloalkene, here hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by X, that means halogen atom or halide group or halo group here. In this, halogen atom or hydrogen atom of ethane is replaced by halogen, and so the resulting compound comes under haloalkanes. One more class is there, and that is haloalkenes. Now these are also, alkenes are also hydrocarbons, but these are unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. I'll write here unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing what? Carbon-carbon double bond here. We'll take example of CH2 double bond CHX. Here hydrogen atom of alkene is replaced by X, and so the compound is haloalkenes. Next one is haloalkynes. Haloalkynes. What are alkynes? Alkynes are also unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons, but here they contains carbon-carbon triple bond. So alkyne contains carbon-carbon triple bond here. These are also unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic, that means open chain hydrocarbon containing carbon and hydrogen only, unsaturated containing double or triple bond here. So here in this case, in haloalkynes, we'll take example of CH triple bond CX. Again X for either chlorine or bromine or iodine or fluorine. Next one is haloarenes or haloarenes. Here in this case, arenes, that means aromatic compound. So here in this case, the hydrogen atom of aromatic compound or aromatic hydrocarbon is replaced by halogen atom. We'll take an example of C6H5X. So this is a classification of halogen derivatives. So depending upon again the number of halogen atom present in the compound or number of hydrogen atom replaced by halogen atom, these are classified into 3 to 4 types. First one, we'll go for now classification of halogen derivative. Classification depending upon the number of halogen atom present in the compound. These halogen derivatives are classified as, first one is monohalogen derivatives. From the name itself you can find out what are monohalogen derivatives. Mono means one, monohalogen derivatives, that means only one halogen atom is present in the compound, and so these are called as a monohalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. We'll take here example of again the same one, CH3 CH2X. Monohalogen derivatives of compound, only one halogen atom is present or only one hydrogen is replaced by one halogen atom. Then next one is dihalogen derivatives of alkane. Dihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, you can say. So in dihalogen, di means two, when two halogen atoms are present or when two hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbon replaced by two halogen atoms, then the resulting compound is a dihalogen derivatives. We'll take an example of CH2X. CH2X. We'll take one more example, CH3, then CH3CHX2. So here, depending upon again the position of halogen atom present, these are again classified into two types, these dihalogen derivatives. First one is a vicinal dihalide and another one is a geminal dihalide. I'll write here vicinal dihalides and this is your geminal dihalides. What is the difference in between these two? In vicinal dihalide, both the halogen atoms are present on adjacent carbon atom, while in geminal dihalide, both the halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom. So wherever two halogen atoms are present in the compound, these are dihalo derivative, and when both the halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom, then these are the geminal dihalide derivative or geminal dihalides, and wherever two halogen atoms are present on adjacent carbon atom, then these are the vicinal dihalides. Then the next one is your trihalogen derivatives of alkenes. So next class is trihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons or alkanes we'll see here. In trihalogen derivatives, 3 halogen atoms are present, means what? 3 hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbon, these are replaced by 3 halogen atoms. We'll take here example of CH2X, CHX, CH2X. Here 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 halogen atoms, and so the compound is a trihalogen derivatives of alkene in this case. So this is about, we have seen the classification about alkene. If aromatic compounds are there, then in that case, here in case of monohalogen derivative, if aromatic compound is there, then here one hydrogen is replaced by one halogen atom. Wherever dihalogen derivatives of arenes is there, then in that case two hydrogen atoms of aromatic ring replaced by two halogen atom, and wherever trihalogen derivatives of arenes is there, then in that case again the same thing, three hydrogen atoms of aromatic ring replaced by three halogen atoms. So this is your trihalogen derivative of arenes. These are the trihalogen derivatives of alkanes. Wherever dihalogen derivative, here two, in case of alkanes, two different class are there, vicinal and geminal dihalide. In vicinal, both the halogen atoms are present on adjacent carbon atom. In geminal, both the halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom. Wherever there is a replacement of hydrogen of aromatic ring by halide group or halogen atom, then in that case these are the haloarenes, dihaloarenes here. In case of monohalogen also, wherever replacement of hydrogen atom of aromatic ring by halogen atom, then this is called as a monohaloarenes. So this is about the classification of halogen derivatives. Just go for then classification of monohalogen derivative of alkenes. So depending upon again the position of halogen atom in monohalogen derivative, depending upon the position of halogen atom, and also depending upon the position of halogen atom on the type of carbon atom, these are classified again into different types. First we'll go for classification of monohalogen derivatives of alkane depending upon the position of halogen atom. So we'll go for first monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. Classification first we'll go for classification based on position of halogen atom. Position of halogen atom. So first class or first type is your primary alkyl halide. And primary alkyl halide, or it is also called as a 1 degree alkyl halide. In case of primary alkyl halide, your X bonded with primary carbon atom. We'll take again example of CH3, CH2, X. Now again you are well familiar with the type of carbon atom, primary, secondary and tertiary. Wherever your carbon atom is attached with only one another carbon atom, then it is a primary. And when your X group or halogen atom is bonded with such a primary carbon atom, it is your primary alkyl halide, or it is also called as a 1 degree alkyl halide. Another one is a secondary alkyl halide. Another class is a secondary alkyl halide, or this is also called as a 2 degree alkyl halide. In this, your halogen atom attached with secondary carbon atom, CH3, CHX, CH3. Wherever your position of halogen group is on secondary carbon atom, or when your halogen atom is bonded with secondary carbon atom, then in that case it is a secondary alkyl halide, or it is also called as a 2 degree alkyl halide. What is a secondary carbon? The carbon atom attached with two different carbon atoms, then in that case it is a secondary carbon atom. And when your halogen atom is with secondary carbon atom, then in that case the class is secondary alkyl halide or 2 degree alkyl halide. Next one is a tertiary alkyl halide. or this is also called as a 3-degree alkyl halide. And here we'll take example of CH3, then CH3, CH3X, where your X is attached or bonded with tertiary carbon atom. What is a tertiary carbon? It is attached to 3 different carbon atom when it is a tertiary, and when X is attached with or bonded with such a tertiary carbon, then the compound is your tertiary alkyl halide or 3-degree alkyl halide here. Here in this case, alkyl halide is represented by the general formula Rx, where R stands for alkyl group, X for halogen atom. So this is about the classification of monohalogen derivatives of alkane. First is a primary alkyl halide or 1-degree alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide or 2-degree alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide or 3-degree alkyl halide. Then another class is allylic halide. In allylic halide, your X group is attached with a sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is attached to doubly bonded carbon atom here. We'll take an example of CH3, double bond CH, CH2X. So in allylic halide, your X is attached with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is directly bonded with doubly bonded carbon atom here, allylic halide. We'll take another class, that is benzylic halide. In benzylic halide also, your X is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is directly attached with the aromatic ring or benzene ring here, CH2X. So this is called as a benzylic halide. Then the next one is vinylic halide. Fourth class is vinylic halide. In vinylic halide, your X group or halogen atom is attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom. We'll take here example of CH2 double bond CHX, sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Then the next one is haloalkynes. In haloalkynes, your X is attached with the sp hybridized carbon atom, CX. And the last one is haloarenes. In haloarenes, your X is attached with the sp2 hybridized carbon of aromatic ring, X. So this is the classification of monohalogen derivatives depending upon the position of halogen atom and also depending upon the location of halogen atom on the basis of hybridization of carbon atom here. So in case of allylic halide, your X is attached with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is directly bonded with doubly bonded carbon atom. In benzylic halide, again it is X is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but it is directly bonded with the benzene ring. In vinylic halide, X is attached with or bonded with sp2 two hybridized carbon atom. In haloalkynes, X is attached with sp hybridized carbon atom, and in haloarenes, X is attached with sp hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring or benzene ring here. So this is the classification of halogen derivatives of alkane. Next we'll go for nomenclature of alkyl halides.